Hello and welcome. I'm Jenny Hall. Thanks for joining me for another card making tutorial. Today I'm creating a really fun DIY Halloween treat holder and a matching card. I'll be stamping with two stamp sets. One is Takeout Treats and the other is Cauldron Bubble. We'll start with Takeout Treats bundle, which is 10% off in my online store. This is the actual treat holder, and you need 2 die cuts. And make sure that those die cuts look like a non-directional pattern if you would like them to look natural. That way, if you have something directional, then when you fold it together, then one end is going to kind of look a little wonky or upside down. So that's one thing to think about when you're choosing your paper. This also works really well on cardstock. I'm stamping the little banner image with a tone on tone, and that way the paper and the stamped image are kind of, meeting together and reading as a solid a little bit more. I'm going to adhere this treat holder with tear and tape adhesive, which is a very, very strong adhesive. Once the release paper is removed, attach them at the bottom and then fold the sides together on all 4 sides. Then, after all the adhesive is applied, simply just fold over and burnish the top pieces and twist them together, and this is a cool little treat package. From here, there's lots of things that you can do to decorate them. However, I'm going to keep it very simple. I'll be stamping with Blackberry Bliss for the sentiment and more Granny Apple Green for the tiny little medallion. And this can just attach to the side of the box. One little tip is that you can also use the die for that little medallion and cut a window in the box and then slide a piece of window sheet inside, and you've got a window that can show your treat through. That's another great idea. Here's a piece of nature's twine that I've tied in a bow. I'm using the purple out of the pack of 3, and that is going to attach to the top part of the treat holder. This is going to help tie my 2 projects together. Once this box is complete, we'll move on to the card. For the card, I'm using a card base of Granny Apple Green, which will help tie together the 2 projects, stamping tone on tone with one of the fun images from Cauldron Bubble. I'm going to add a layer of Whisper White cardstock from the corrugated embossing folder, and that's going to give me some lift and texture to help the 2 projects match but be a little different from each other as well. I'm stamping with exactly the same colors and using exactly the same color twine, which will help for both of these projects to be very obvious that they are a coordinating set. This is a fun project to complete, and I'm enjoying making lots and lots of things with the Takeout Treats bundle. This is great for Halloween treats, for those that you want to support, like maybe your neighbors or maybe some special children that are going to come out trick-or-treating. It's not something that you might want to give out to every child that comes to the door. This particular gift set is going to be for a teacher or a bus driver or somebody that is in my children's life that we're going to support with just a little bit more and make them feel like they're loved. This is also great to share with your sister or your husband or your kid or your grandkids. It's just a really fun project. Thanks for joining me today. All of the products are listed below in the video description. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and have a great day.
Hi, my name is Trip. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.